The Zone Mix 761 control software can be downloaded for free from the Symmetrics.co website. All signal processing, mixing, and routing functions, including input gains, are managed via control software. The application provides display and control for all signal processing and configuration functioning, including input and output gain, high-pass filtering, parametric equalization, compression, limiting, automatic gain control, ducking, feedback elimination, signal routing, delay, and polarity. We'll dive deeper into the Zone Mix 761 control software in the later chapters. First, though, we'll focus on controlling inputs and outputs. 4 analog audio inputs accept mic or line level signals with plus or minus 24 dB of digital trim, 84 dB range of analog gain, mute, phantom power, and signal inversion. Pink and white noise is available for gain staging on the first 3 channels. The remaining 8 unbalanced analog audio inputs accept line-level signals with plus or minus 24 dB of digital trim, an 84 dB range of analog gain, and may be individually muted. Balanced analog outputs are trimmed over a plus 12 to negative 72 dB range and may be individually muted. The Zone Mix 761 Embedded Web Server, or ARC Web, provides a no-cost system interface that can control source selectors, volumes, mutes, and presets using most common web browsers on a computer or mobile devices.